friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking crispy fried frozen pickles in the air fryer. So we just need a package of frozen fried pickles, and the air fryer will cook them straight from frozen. So let me open it. And now I will put fried pickles in the air fryer in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 7 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the fried pickles. Look at that, they're so nicely brown. The breading looks delicious. Now let's take them out of the air fryer. Did you hear how crunchy they are? So crispy. They look amazing. I'm so excited about trying this fried pickle. Now let's try it. So good. Look at this crispy brown breading and perfectly cooked pickle inside. This is amazing. You're going to love making it in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!